Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Gakpo Bear Show. And yeah, excuse me for my t-shirt. It's what we call here in the Philippines, pambahay. Okay, just the shirts that we usually wear here inside our house. Okay, so yeah, I'm not in a suit or something, but yeah, let's go. We will have an unleashing today, and we will unleash a Gunpla. So it's a Gunpla unleash, and this is a very kind and very kind, but a very cute kind of Gunpla. Yeah, cute. Why? Let's just open this one and let's unleash this. Okay, so we have here this one right here. This yellow. See that? Shopee Express. Yeah, and it's added. Yeah, I know. I will add this to my Backlog Paradise again. So let's go. Let's unleash this with my Rusty Basil Trusted Hobby Knife. Let's go. Let's unleash. Let's unleash this one. Let's go. Okay. So not fast. Yeah, not so fast kind of unleashing, but not so fast, but we have here a very cute one, a very cute kit right here. And we have here your... Woo! This is your Zakopla Kun DX set. Yeah, you see that? That's very nice and cute, man. So we have here the green one. I think there's a red. If there's a red one, the Zaku, Charge Zaku Red Zakopla Kun, then I will get it also. Because I already have a Gunpla Kun. Yeah, the other, which this use a different plastic. Yep, not the what you call that? The usual plastic that they use. Okay, and this is the Zakopla Kun DX set with runner version recreation parts. So you can build it like this, or either the option of building it like this one. But yeah, of course, I will have it. But also, I will showcase it with this one also. But in posting it on my cabinet right here, I will post it with the Gunpla Kun. Okay? So, wow. It's a very nice kit. And you can see that very cute one. The other side also. Yeah. See that? See there. Woo. And the runners. There are only, how many runners? Four runners, but they're very simple to build. Yeah, because according here, oh, it even has a weapon, man. It's a very cute weapon. Okay, it has a machine gun, a Zaku machine gun to be specific. That's Zaku Kun saying it. Zaku bazooka and hit hook. Use them to deck out Zakopla Kun. Wow. And then use the display base to recreate the Zakopla Kun runner version. Yeah, I see that. Runner version, which is here on the front of the box. And yes. So my body colors I faithfully reproduce in molded colors. Enjoy it as it is an assembled form. So you don't need to color it anymore. And it has here. No need of glue. But you need to use a nipper to build it. Yeah, they recommend it to use a nipper, and it's colored plastic. So I don't know if we need to use a. Okay, no. Even the eyes is separated, color separated. See that color pink right there? That's the eyes. That's the mono eye of our Zakopla Kun. Okay, so this is Zakopla Kun, but I think much shorter is Zaku Kun. But it's a little bit not nice to hear. Zaku Kun. Let's go with Zakopla Kun. Okay? So that's it. Our unleashing for today. And we will have an unboxing. And after that, yeah, I don't know if I will live build this or maybe we'll have a speed build. Yeah, because it is this very short, man. A very, very, very short kind and very easy to build Gunpla. Yep. So, comment down there if I should have a speed build or a live build for this. Yeah. Okay? Speed build or live build. But I think I want a live build. Yeah. So that if we can see something that we need to improve this one, you can ask me on the live. Okay? Does the Hit Hawk has a color? Oh, so that's it. The Hit Hawk doesn't have that yellow color. So I think I wanna color it with yellow. or orange or something hitting like kind of a mix of yellow and orange. Yeah, it's like it's a hit hope. It's really a hit hope. Okay. Wow, excited, man. But yeah, so that's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next videos. Okay? So that's for now, guys. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay De La Paz signing off, and Gabber Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out.